Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, Visual Studio with the NET workloads and an active SDK. Create a new C# project now, pick console, WinForms, WPF, or ASP, NET depending on your goal. Once created, set the target framework, restore NuGet packages, and open the main file program, CS or Startup. I'll show why each choice matters. The project type defines available templates, and the framework version controls APIs and performance. Make sure the Solution Explorer is visible so you can follow along. Now you implement functionality. Add classes, methods, or controllers and keep responsibilities small so testing stays simple. Add NuGet packages for dependencies, choose stable versions, and prefer package reference for consistent builds. Configure app settings or launch settings. JSON for environment-specific values. Once done, set breakpoints on key lines, use F5 to start the debugger, and watch variable values in locals and autos. If you prefer a quick run, use Ctrl plus F5. Either way, step through to confirm behavior and why each part runs. To finish, refactor for clarity, add unit tests, and run .NET Publish to produce deployment artifacts. Make sure to check build output and warnings. Fixing warnings early avoids runtime surprises. Once packaged, deploy or run locally with the target runtime. If something goes wrong, first clear NuGet cache, delete bin and obj folders, then rebuild. That resolves many stale reference issues. If errors persist, read the first failing stack trace line, set a breakpoint before it, and step in to discover the underlying cause.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.